I would like to talk about how to do a multi-channel setup with our IEM systems. In this rack we have 3 stereo transmitters, which are all connected with a network switch, and we have an antenna combiner, the AC41. An antenna combiner helps to avoid any intermodulation between the stereo transmitters. This is why we highly recommend to use one when you do a multi-channel setup with IEMs. Additionally, the antenna combiner can power up to 4 of the stereo transmitters and enables you to use an external antenna, which improves the RF coverage of your system. You can now see that the full system is working. You can maybe even hear that the AC41 is cooling. To start the whole multi-channel setup, you can choose one of the stereo transmitters, go into the Easy Setup menu, and then you will be asked if you want to RF mute all the stereo transmitters. This can be done by pressing Set. It is recommended because otherwise you would block free frequencies. You can see that now the red LED indicates that the stereo transmitter is RF muted, and the blue sync LED shows that the transmitter is ready to receive the scan result from the body pack receiver. To do a scan with the receiver, you have to go into the Easy Setup menu. In the Easy Setup menu, you have the choice to select a current list from a previous scan or do a new scan with Scan New List. As soon as the scan is done, you see the results. The device shows you how many free channels you have per bank. You then have to select one of the banks you want to use. In this example, I will choose bank 5. Now bank 5 is selected and I can transfer all the information of bank 5 to my stereo transmitters by syncing the receiver with one of the stereo transmitters. Now you can see bank 5, channel 1 is selected. With the jog wheel, I can select which of the channels I want to allocate. Now I've selected bank 5, channel 9. To confirm and accept this frequency on one of the connected stereo transmitters, I press Set. Now the frequency was stored and the allocating transmitter jumps to the next free frequency. I can also do it with the next one. And at the end, to complete the process, I can also press Set or use the shortcut Sync to store and directly go into the sync mode and then do another sync with my receiver to put the transmitter and the receiver on the same frequency.